The second day of Upongolo Mayoral Cup began early on Sunday morning, and unlike the previous day, it was bright and sunny with the promise of a fun-filled day ahead. Before we could engage with the young sportsmen and women, we sat down with His Royal Highness Prince Africa Zulu of Onkweni to get a sense of the status of the economy of Upongolo and what it has to offer.
Upongolo is a very beautiful area. It's one of the most critical parts of the northern Zululand. It's an area whose economy is based on agriculture. And if you enter Pongola, and you will see not just the landscape, but you'll be able to get a feel of the activities taking place for agriculture, like sugar mill, farmers that are, working to tilling the soil and making sure that the production is on time. Basically, it's a very small, peaceful, safe, small town.
We are offering the Big Five in our game reserves here, and the environment in our game reserve. You see, we've got the indigenous trees some you can only find them here in Pongola, not anywhere in the world. We find them here in Pongola. We've got tiger fish in our dam, which is only found here. And we always have that facility, that competition also. We have competition where people come for catching the tiger fish. The one that will catch a tiger fish, and then will be the winner. And then, but you don't take it home. You release it back to the dam. So that is very good. Also our heritage, because the Zulu kingdom is here next to us. There's a lot of heritage that we cherish with the Zulu kingdom, and of which we eat the history, the benefit that we have in our area. People can learn a lot in Pongola. There's a huge history that when we can share it with the world, people can be amazed that this is here in the deep rural area of Pongola.